Clement with Kathy by Design. I have my latest release for the Button Farm Club. This is my July kit, and it's made with the Authentique Endless collection, which is just gorgeous for summer. It's too hot to play outside, right? So let's bring it into the studio and create an amazing assortment of all occasion cards with the Endless Card Kit from Button Farm Club. This kit is so loaded, I can't even remember all the things that are in it, but basically you get everything you see to make all 10 of these items in the kit, except for your basic adhesives, any inks, and your tools. But ribbons, buttons, a whole box of little birdie flowers, brads, keys, darling little charms, the tutorial, I'm trying to think, chipboard stickers, it's all in here, and 10 12 by 12 sheets of gorgeous Authentique Endless paper. So I worked up a variety of things. All of y'all love my folios, so I created a wonderful little summer folio with double pockets and pockets on the back, a little gift card holder, and look at this, it's even got a waterfall in here. So this makes a gorgeous gift or a wonderful way to commemorate something from your summer. This is 5 by 7. Oh, doilies come in the kit too. I knew I was leaving something out. And look at this sweet little bee charm. He comes in the kit, the baker's twine, it's all in there. So then we're going to learn how to make a really wonderful fun fold card, and all of the directions are in the tutorial. We're going to make a really adorable shaped shaker card. Look at the mason jar. I just love this. And you also get the directions for finishing the insides of the cards, which is something that's hard to find. Then for home decor, this is a darling little easel card, and this is so cute to sit on your desk in the summertime. And on the inside you could even put a little post-it pad in here or a calendar. This also is just lovely to give as a gift. And then we make 3 easy to mail 4 by 6 cards. These are a little less dimensional with a little less frou-frou on them, so they're easy to pop in the mailbox and just adorable. Of course, all the directions, step-by-step photos, all of that, so you can recreate these. And then with what I had left of the papers, we made these gorgeous gift tags. These are so sweet and just beautiful, a lovely little tie-on on a gift, or I like to hang these on my doorknobs as decoration in my house. So cute. I keep some in my laundry room. And then the last but not least, a little gift card wallet that has a really fun design. So as you can see, this kit is loaded. You're going to get all the instructions that you need to finish everything. You're going to get full color photographs. You're going to get all the supplies except your basics. It's a wonderful kit. So go to Button Farm Club. The link is below and in the description box, and sign up. This is a limited edition kit. When it's gone, it's gone. But the wonderful thing is the techniques that you'll learn while making these cards can be added to your toolbox, and you'll be able to use them over and over again. So that's me for Button Farm Club. Thanks for joining me, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.